Alright guys, so this is going to be a follow-up video of my most recent upload where I have shown how I made 165 US dollars in less than 5 minutes doing nothing at all actively by selling digital products. And I have received quite a good number of comments, and I thought if I answered those comments through a video, many of you will get benefited from these answers. So without further ado, let me open up the video I have made, and I'm going to scroll a bit down. We're gonna see the comments option. I'm going to sort the comment by newest first, so that all new comments will pop up on the top, and after that I'm going to answer those comments. So Etsy doesn't support in BD Pro. I'm sorry about that, and I know that Etsy doesn't support in not only in Bangladesh. There are many other countries like Pakistan, maybe Nigeria, and some other countries where Etsy doesn't support. So if a marketplace doesn't support on a particular country, what you can do, you can find alternative of that marketplace which supports in your country, and then try to sell your digital products or whatever you want to sell on the other platform. So I have got a list of 10 platforms where you can basically sell digital products. So you can simply visit these platforms and see if that marketplace works in your country. If that works, then simply start selling on that platform instead of Etsy. That's the solution. And not only these 10 listings, if you make a search on Google for alternative to this marketplace, then you are going to get a long list of other marketplaces where you potentially can start selling from your country, where your country is supported. All right, so that's the solution. আচ্ছা, আপনি যে কোরাতে ফাইবার অ্যাফিলিয়েট লিঙ্ক প্রমোট করছেন ওইটা দেখলাম একটা ডোমেইনের আন্ডারে রাখছেন। অলরাইট, সো ইটস অ্যাবাউট লিঙ্ক লকিং, শর্ট লিঙ্কের মতো। ওইটা কিভাবে করছেন একটু বিস্তারিত জানায়েন, থ্যাঙ্কস। So what this guy is basically asking is from my country Bangladesh. So he's asking regarding this type of links. So as you can see here, I have got rafys.net, which is my own branded domain. And let's say if I am promoting Fiverr affiliate program, I have just to type like Fiverr, which I have made this link locked and included my affiliate link inside this short URL. So now if someone hit enter or visit this page, they are going to basically redirect it to the targeted URL, which is in this case I have got the Fiverr affiliate program. You can see my Fiverr affiliate ID here. So this is called link clocking, and I have used Pretty Links plugin on WordPress to do this link clocking. And if you want a detailed video about Pretty Links, how you can do link clocking on your WordPress website, then please let me know by commenting below. I'm gonna surely upload a video on that. All right, after that I have got this question. Hi, I hope you read my comment. I want to take your course of data entry on Udemy, but unfortunately I don't have money to take it. So I wish you put coupon 100% for free to people who don't have money and want to have knowledge in this field. And thanks for all your videos provide to us. So what I can suggest this person, thank you so much for watching my videos, and the reason why you are interested to get enrolled in that data entry course is because you found my some other videos helpful. I really feel good about that. So what I can suggest for you, I'm not sure if I can provide you 100% free because many other people are actually purchasing the course. So I don't think that it's going to be a good idea to provide a few others for free and few others for paid. So it is not going to be a balanced thing. Please send me your email so that if I can provide you it for free, then you will get it for sure. So please send me your email. And in the meantime, I would suggest you are going to find a playlist named data entry. Here we go, data entry tutorials. Simply watch these videos. You will have enough knowledge to get started working or start working on freelance marketplaces. Along with this playlist, I would suggest you to watch this lead generation email list building playlist. You will have enough knowledge to get started and start providing freelance services, and many other people are doing that. All right, so and again I would ask you to please send me your email address so that if I can provide you it for free, I'll do that as well. All right, thank you so much for commenting and watching my videos. After that I have got a comment from Jubair Ahmed. So brother, is Buymeacoffee market products or the owner need to market? So basically what he is asking is if Buymeacoffee promotes your product on behalf of you, or do you have to promote your products? When it comes to Buymeacoffee, basically the content creator have to promote their digital products. So for me, I am promoting my digital products through Medium, through my blog post, through Quora, through YouTube video descriptions. So yes, you have to promote your products. But when it comes to Amazon, when it comes to, let's say, Etsy, simply if you add your listings doing proper keyword optimization, proper listing optimization, then the marketplace will promote your products. And not only Etsy and Amazon, you can add listings on, let's say, eBay, and many of the print on demand websites promote the products. All right, so basically you have to create the listings, and that's it. If you are not having the time to promote your products, but still you might going to get some auto sell. When it comes to Buymeacoffee, not that doesn't promote your product, you have to promote your product. All right, then I have got this one. Does this platform provide affiliates? Yes, some of these platforms does have affiliate structure. For instance, on Buymeacoffee, if you visit rafys.net, this is my affiliate link, BMC, you are going to be landed to Buymeacoffee page. And whenever you will sign up, and if you make any sale through your Buymeacoffee links, I'm going to get a small commission from your sales, right? So yes, many of these platforms, for instance, if I take you to the top, like you're gonna see, Shopify does have an affiliate program, Etsy does have affiliate program, Sendall most probably have, and this DPD, they have got affiliate program. Easy Downloads, I have got affiliated with them as well. So most of them basically have affiliate programs, so you can join their affiliate programs, promote the marketplaces, and earn some commissions. How do you find if a company have or has an affiliate program or not? Simply go to the Google and then paste the company name, then type out affiliate program, and here we go, Invato affiliate programs. Simply open up 2 or 3 of these links and you're gonna get enough information to get started with. All right, now let's go for the next question. Can I do all this on my phone? Well, it is going to be kind of tough, but yes, you can do sell digital products from your phone. And then I have got this comment from Sadiq. Thank you so much, Azharul Rafy. You are most welcome, and I'm so pleased you are watching my videos. For creating such valuable content, I have been following your videos for over 3 years. Wow, thank you so much. And they have been incredibly helpful to me. I have learned about Fiverr and how to create gigs on the platforms through your videos, and I was able to find a permanent client and earn enough to support my family, especially in this crisis situation that we Afghans are going through these days. Now I am motivated to explore further opportunities for additional incomes. Jazakallah khair. Oh my god, thank you so much, Sadiq brother, for making this comment, and I am so pleased, so happy for him that he have been watching my videos for 3 years. He learned about Fiverr from my videos, and from some other videos he learned some skills, and now he's being able to produce enough income to support his family, and he got a permanent client. It's a great thing. So thank you so much, man. I'm gonna reply you for sure soon. All right, so I'm gonna reply everyone, but especially this one just got my, let's say, heart today. I'd like to show you where you can find the videos. Simply visit my YouTube channel and you're gonna find the links into the video description. Go to playlist and you're going to find all the playlist here on this page, and after that you can find options like, as you can see here, Fiverr. If you want to learn and start freelancing on Fiverr, here is the Fiverr tutorial. If you want to learn email marketing, I've got the tutorials and many other options available. So basically start watching videos from any specific playlist and you will be good to go. All right, then I have got, sir, make a detailed video on Buymeacoffee. Yeah, I already have got a detailed video. If I show you here videos, and this one most probably, yep, earn passive income with Buymeacoffee. So this video I'd love to mention or actually recommend you to watch this video. I'm going to attach this video link into the video description, and along with that I would love to mention or recommend watching this video as well, which is going to be helpful for sure. All right, and after that I have got nice video clip roll up from Nigeria, and I love from Bangladesh. Thank you so much for watching videos from Nigeria. And this one is irrelevant, although some good words. Thank you so much for making the comment. Then I have got, thanks sir, this is informative. Please, I have a question. Can you do a video on how one can get digital products with resale rights to sell on this platform? So basically you can get membership on some paid platforms like Creative Fabrica, even on Etsy. Then you can download some of the, let's say, elements. Then you can customize a little bit and resell them, and this is allowed. So basically you have to read the license information first, and there are some marketplaces. So as far as I know, the Creative Fabrica and is the good platform to get these kind of things. So if you need, I used Creative Fabrica, some elements from Creative Fabrica, and I uploaded them for print on demand, and I started generating some commissions. If you need, I can produce a video on that as well. Then please, how to get traffic to digital product, I have already mentioned. I use my YouTube video descriptions, Quora, Medium, blogs, these channels to promote, or let's say drive traffic to my digital products. So other than that, you can promote your digital products on Facebook if they're relevant, Twitter if they're relevant, and on any other social media sites. All right, but it's good to choose some place where the traffic will come eventually and continuously, even after a few days. For instance, you can create a blog, you can write blog content on Quora, you can write content on Medium, and these things. And if you can produce video contents like me, it's a good thing as well. Then I have got another question from my country, digital product Buymeacoffee তে লিস্টিং করলে কি অটোমেটিক সেল আসবে, নাকি এই প্রোডাক্ট বাইরে কোনো সাইটে প্রমোট করতে হবে সেল পাওয়ার জন্য? আর যদি বাইরে প্রমোট করে সেল আনতে হয়, আপনার মেথড বা ভিডিও চাই। So this question is similar to a previous question, like if Buymeacoffee is going to promote our digital products, or should we have to promote the products on ourselves? So the answer is we have to promote our products ourselves if you are selling the digital products through Buymeacoffee link. And again, you can promote your digital products on social media sites, including Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, then Pinterest, and you can promote through Quora, Medium, YouTube video descriptions, etc. All are free traffics, right? Then I have got another question from this guy. This is a promotional content, so let's skip that. Lots of alternatives to Etsy. Thanks a lot for making the comment. I already replied her. So she most probably the first time viewer on my channel. I am so glad to have her. Then I have got, sir, please upload fresh playlist on Fiverr affiliate market, how to promote affiliate links on social media, social platforms. So I have got a comparatively new playlist. You can basically come here and watch this playlist, earn passive income. These are new videos, and along with that, affiliate marketing. So this one, okay, so watch this playlist and this playlist, that would be good to go for you. And I'm obviously going to upload new videos in coming days on my channel for sure. After that, just brilliant. I'm just willing to know that I'm good to finding data for lead generation purposes, that can those be sold in an Excel format for this platform? Your videos are extremely valuable. Well, in this regard, what I would suggest, build a list for yourself, target a specific market which might have some demand, and then build a list. You can work with some team members and then build a long big list, large list, and then you can start selling. So it would be ethical way. Okay, so yes, obviously you can sell lead generation data, and there are huge demand for this. So I don't know you are from BD. All right, many other people didn't know that I'm from Bangladesh, and I received this comment so often time. But now, as I'm active on my Facebook page or other social media sites in Bangladeshi communities, many people know that I'm from Bangladesh. So that's it. Now, thank you so much for watching, by the way. Then I've got, hello sir, thank you for sharing valuable information. I want to know, how can I promote my digital product? I already answered the question. And you can simply watch my affiliate marketing related videos. You will learn about some ways, potential ways, how you can promote your affiliate links or digital products. Love from Pakistan, love from Bangladesh. Thank you so much for watching. Amazing brother, go on. Thank you so much. Great video by first view and comments. Thank you so much for the love. Thanks for the video. You are most welcome. So this was it, guys. So I think I was able to answer all the questions in right way. But if you are confused about any of the answers, or if you have got any further question, if you want me to make videos like this, please let me know by commenting below. So this is it, guys. I hope you have found this video helpful. I'd expect a like if you found it helpful, and thank you so much for watching once again. Hope to see you in the next videos. Have a good day. Bye bye. All the best.